Hello, it's Jeffrey here, and today I'm going to be checking out the live performance version of CLC's Black Dress and Helicopter. I've been in love with both songs since listening to them on my channel, so I'm looking very forward to checking out the live performances today and seeing everything in performance. So let's get to it. Boss, isn't that by NCTU? Oh, there we go. Listen to the screams from the fans. Oh my god. It's so funny. It's great.
Black. Black.
Yes.
Can you see me now, huh?
Yeah, Ian. They all look so great. I love the black and gold outfits. Ooh. Oh, whoever that is gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Kill that solo dance. Whoever that is. Yes. Oh, Ian. Kill it. Oh, she's gorgeous too. I love this part of the song. And the little breakdown. Oh, so well produced. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh. I love the choreo with the song too, because it really gives them a chance to milk every moment. Okay, she's beautiful. Oh my gosh. They're all beautiful, but she strikes me the most.
BLACKDRESS.
Yeah, Ian. Command that stage. I love the ending part. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. They're so talented. Ian's my bias, but there's that other girl that I kept commenting on that might be my bias wrecker. I think I like her quite a bit. Not as much as Ian, I think, but she's getting up there for sure. So, oh my gosh, that was a great live performance. So here's Helicopter's live stage performance. Sungjin, Yoonbi, Seunggi. I think that's who I liked from the first live performance. I'm so excited for this. I love this song. Oh. I love the stage setup too. Oh my god. It's like a worn down airport hangar. Yeah, Ian, get those lines. Oh, so good. And all the backup dancers too. There's that leg move. Oh. Oh, I love the A's in the background. They're so fierce and strong. Ian. Oh my god. I'm so smitten. This is amazing. Here comes Ian. Yeah. Hey. Nice. Oh, lots of great choreography in this. Beautiful. And the light wind too blowing just makes it so much more effective. Yeah, Ian, walk it out. I think that's the one I like. I'm pretty sure it is. Gorgeous. Oh God, my heart. Oh my God, Ian. Damn. Okay, whoever she is has a great voice. The one with the silver hair. Oh. Whoever's doing those vocal runs in the background is great. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I actually need a moment. It was so good. Holy crap. Oh my God, I love that song even more. Oh my God, I am, whatever the fandom group is, I am now a part of it for CLC. Like, oh my gosh, I usually like to say what I like about the song, but the whole thing was great, so I would probably just need to replay the whole song to show how much I loved it. It was amazing, it was so good. Please let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else by CLC I should check out, or if Yeon's done anything kind of solo that I should maybe view. Let me know. I love her. It was great. I can't stop smiling. This is an amazing live performance. What an anthem. I loved it. That just made my day. Like, if my day was bad before, it's just been made better. Like, thanks so much for viewing my reaction today to CLC's live performance of Black Dress and Helicopter. Let me know in the comments down below any other performances that I should check out, or any other live stages that I should maybe check out by the group. Make sure to leave a like or a dislike, and make sure to subscribe. I'm posting videos quite regularly, so it'd be great to see you come back and check out some more stuff with me. But for now, I'll see you later. Bye!